This is an ABC News special report. Now reporting, George Stephanopoulos.
Good afternoon. We are coming on the air right now because President Trump.
We interrupt our broadcasting to bring you this emergency action notification. This is a global emergency. Important news and information to follow.
Attention, all Roblox gamers. Builderman is in big trouble, and he needs your help to take down John Doe himself. To do this, he's going to need a banhammer and a couple of million Robux. To help him, all he needs is your credit card number. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. He's going to need everything that you own. I'm talking everything. Limiteds, pets, your house. I'm talking about your Minecraft diamond armor, and, well, I can go on and on. He's absolutely going to need anything and everything, but you got to act fast so that Builderman can absolutely own John Doe. Save Roblox.
Remember to keep a battery-powered radio with you during your stay in the shelter. We will continue to stay on the air to bring the latest news.